issue of good governance, trying to bring unity by bringing the entire country together as a nation. Ensuring that there's law and order in the country and moving the country from consumption to production.
This is USAfrica, special live interview with His Excellency Peter Obi, the former governor of Anambra State and candidate for president, Labour Party of Nigeria. He is also a philanthropist and a visionary on issues of national and economic development. Your Excellency, it's nice to have you live in Houston. Thank you very much for inviting and having me. I wanted to ask you directly, what are the major issues of your agenda to become president of Nigeria? What are the four major issues? It is issue of good governance, trying to bring unity by bringing the entire country together as a nation, securing the country, ensuring that there's law and order in the country, and moving the country from consumption to production, which will mean having to deal with critical infrastructure like power. These are where we're going to focus if I have the opportunity. The other issue is that of the diaspora. You made a case at the Houston Forum that the diaspora has to vote in the elections of Nigeria, that Ghanaians vote in the elections. It is very critical. Why? If I have the opportunity, this is the last time diasporans will not vote, because they are critical components of Nigeria. We are talking about, these are where we have our best. They should participate in the democracy, in electing the leaders of the country. Because don't forget that if we get things up and running as we expect very well, the first group of investors we expect back to the country would be diasporans. And if they're going to be the first lot of investment we're expecting, we want them to be participate in the process of electing the leadership. Because they will do so unbiased. Like I keep saying, 2023 election will be about character, competence, capability, and commitment to do the right thing. And Nigeria can no longer wait. We must do the right thing now. I witnessed very young kids, 5 years old, 10 years old kids, espousing your views and your opinions. How did that make you feel? It was a very, firstly, I'm distressed that at that stage they could be asking for something they are supposed to be there, and we were struggling to put it. For example, they asked about power. Why can't we generate, transmit, and distribute power? It is not difficult. Electricity. It will help. So we're trying to do the right things, and not doing the right things is what we are committed to, and we must do it. Finally, what is your vision for Nigeria moving forward? I've told you, good governance, ensure that the country is united, secured, deal with critical infrastructure, and move the country from consumption to production. And ensure that we deal with the issue of corruption and reduce the cost of governance. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thank you.